Hello, friends! My quick and easy tips to save time in the kitchen, especially during busy mornings. Cooking multiple dishes quickly isn't magic. It's all about planning and simple habits. Here's what works best for me. 1. Do prep work in advance. After buying vegetables from the market, sort and clean them immediately. Wash and dry curry leaves, coriander, green chilies, and mint, pudina, and store them in airtight bottles. Prepare homemade ginger garlic paste and refrigerate it for daily use. 2. Use all burners efficiently. Maximize your stove time by using all burners simultaneously for different tasks. Time saved equals more dishes possible. 3. Sequence smartly. Plan your cooking order based on what takes the longest. For example, start boiling dal or rice first and do the tadka later. 4. Organize ingredients neatly. Keep frequently used spices, oils, and essentials in small refillable containers near the stove. Top them up weekly so you never run out mid-cook. 5. Stay focused. Avoid distractions while cooking. A focused mind finishes faster and ensures fewer mistakes. 6. Maintain quality and authenticity. Even in a hurry, never compromise on heat, freshness, hygiene, and taste. Stick to authentic flavors that represent your style. Thanks for tuning into this session. Try these tips and make your busy mornings smoother, healthier, and more flavorful. Happy cooking from Shankari's Swift Kitchen.